Hello, welcome guys to my channel, Patient Programmer again. Today we're gonna learn about how to pass an array to the function and how we can perform any functions onto it and make any results out of it and return the value of it. Okay. So first of all, we will have to make a function. Let's say we will make a function of sum or like multiplication. We will make a function of multiplication which will just return the values multiplication of all the values in an array. So we will make a function multiplication, and in which we have to like send an integer array. So how we can send an array to the function, how we can specify the argument for that? Look at this. We just have to specify the type of an array. Then you can just make this, you can use the same name array as well, or you can make another name just like a. Then you have to like write the braces of the array. That's it. You don't need to give the size in it. There is three ways you can make it. First, you can make this way, just array and the braces. The second, you can specify the size as well, or the third is the pointer way. Let me write the three ways to you. Okay, let's say we will write this. The another way is like you can specify the size in it. One way is this, you can just write this. The other way is that you can specify the size as well with it. And the third one, the last way to pass an array into the function is this. You just need to write the address of a with a pointer. That's it. You can send array to a function in these three ways. So whichever way you like, you can do it. It's not compulsory you do this the pointer way or the size way or this way. It's up to you. Whatever you like, you can do this. So let me tell you with the first how you can perform function with the first way. In this way, you have to like give the array a name, the braces, and then if you want to give the size as well, just give integer size. That's it. Now what we're gonna do, we will just need to multiply all the values of an array to each other and then send the value of it. So we have to make a loop. Integer I is equal to 0 less than size, whatever we will get the size, and I plus plus. Now what? We will just have to make an integer in which we can save the value of multiplication as well. Now multiply is equals to multiply equals to a of I. That's the instruction. This instruction, if you are confusing with it, it means this way. You are saying that multiply is equals to multiply by array of I. This instruction is the short form of this instruction. That's it. It's not a big deal. But whichever way you want to do it, you can do it. You can either write this way or write this way. Both are the same. So now the multiplier will get the answer into it, and in the end we will just have to return the multiplication. That's it. Now this way we made a function in which we can pass an array to that size, to a particular size, and the function what will gonna return to us the multiplication of all the values in it, and it will just return the value of multiplication of an array. Let's say we will call it, we will say cout, in which we're just gonna print the value of the multiplication function, multiplication, in which we have to specify and give an array. The name of an array was array, and the size we will gonna give it to it will be 10 because of the size of this array. This is the 10 array size. Now we just give the semicolon. Now what this instruction will do, first of all it will call this function with an array and index 10. Then this function calls this body, and after performing this function it will return a multiplication value of all the values in the array to here, which will be gonna print with cout. That's the meaning of this instruction. Or if you find this complex, then you can do make another integer like result, which will be equals to this instruction, which we have written over here like this. We'll just write a semicolon, and instead of writing these, we will just write the result. That's the easy way. If you like, you can do this, or you can either way. Now let's run it for you. Now the answer it says is 0. Why? Okay, we didn't return it. We did return it. Did you know why the answer is 0? Because the value of the multiplication of 0 in the first, we have to make it 1. That's why the value of the multiplication was 0. Now look at it. The multiplication answer of an array is 3628800. We just give the value of multiplication to 0. That's why it multiplies with 0 again and again. And in the end, it just gives an answer 0. But now you can see when I just write the multiplication, assign the multiplication value with 1. Now it's giving the correct value. I hope you guys like it. This is the first way you can pass an array to the function. Now let's try the other way which I have told you, in which we do not need to make another integer. We just need to specify the size over here, and here we have to like give the total size. Look, now we will run it. There is not any changes. Okay, there is an error, integer a 10. Why? But two arguments. Okay, that's why the error, because we are giving two arguments. Let's run it for you. Look, the same answer came because we are giving the two arguments over here. That's why it's giving an error. But now look, the answer will be same. No worries. It just gives the simple array multiplication which we have done. Only the thing we have changed is this. The size of 10 we just give inside it. Now the last way is the pointer way. We just need to give the pointer, and all the things will be the same. Look at this. The same answer came, the multiplication. That's how you can transfer arrays to the function in three ways. The first way I told you, with just the braces. You just have to like mention it with the braces. That's it. The second way, you have to specify the size of it inside it. Or the third way is just you have to put a pointer before the name of an array. That's it. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this, do subscribe my channel and give me motivation by subscribing it. Thank you very much. Bye bye.